Hey guys, welcome back. So just doing a little pack out tour of what I keep in my truck. This is gonna be my new truck for now on. So right now, just a metric set of wrenches, just standard. I gotta find a 15 since this doesn't come with a 15. Shame on you, Harbor Freight. Cobalt pair of channel locks just in case if you get a bad brake caliper that's sticking, just clamp that off. Cutters, Craftsman brand. Always like the Craftsman. Then I got a pair of gear wrench, adjustable quick, like these are like 8-inch quick adjust pliers. And I got a DeWalt, what's it called, multi screwdriver. It has like 15 different bits, or like 12 different bits in this. Screwdriver, flathead, Torx, you name it. Craftsman old school flathead, a Tecton flathead, smaller flathead. Old Stanley USA number 2 Phillips, Harbor Freight Pittsburgh number 2, and a little flathead pick, you never know. Then I got tape measure, don't know why, but I just thought that's something I would need maybe eventually. And I got a little 3-pound sledgehammer, miniature, so you can hit it harder instead of getting worn out. And a bigger, what's it called, clamp, just in case anything happens. I do have ratchet straps in here right now, not the second. It's just, I gotta get some. That's the better brand. Then I got a multi-socket flip set for lug nuts and stuff. And I ended up running up to Harbor Freight earlier. You'll see in my other video. Back then, a couple days ago anyways. So, I ended up picking some short metric up. Got those on a rail. Got some adapters, extension, a 1/4-inch ratchet, what's called 3/8 ratchet flex head, and metric shallow icon sockets, and some couple different socket size or extensions for 3/8. I got 1/4-inch to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/4-inch, 3/8 to 1/2-inch, and then I just picked up these Quinn 1/2-inch impact sockets just in case. Then I got a 1/2-inch extendable Pittsburgh ratchet. Then I got DeWalt 891. It works pretty good with a 3-amp-hour battery right now. I might be getting rid of that. I don't know yet. Then gloves. There's some gloves from Harbor Freight. Can't go wrong with some gloves when they're on sale. Then I got some parking chalks, like especially right now I'm parked on a hill. I got to take this rear left wheel off because the wheel weight is making it what's called slowly deflate. It has a leak basically. So I'm gonna jack this up and I can use all my good stuff. And I got an air compressor because I got to air it all the way down. Then take the wheel weight off, then re-put it on. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.